Okay, so there are some aligning lines between the shaft of the spindle and the pulley itself, and I think I can see them, but I want to make sure, so I'm going to clean things up. Before I start putting some degreaser in there, I'll just try to stuff the inside of the spindle shaft so that not too much liquid goes down there. We don't want rust or anything like that, or as little as possible. Bit of degreaser, some Scotch-Brite. Yep, the lines are nice and obvious now. I can see them very clearly. I want to remove as much oil and grease as possible because I'm going to heat it up and it's going to make smoke. Yeah. Okay, so you should be able to see the aligning lines just right here. There's a tall one and a small one, and there's a line on this is the spindle shaft, and this is the pulley, and there is probably a serial number here, 234. Okay. So I've got one torch here. Another one here. We did it! So easy. There you go. We'll let everything cool down now. Yes.